Good day, students. This is Mr. Yomi Omorewa. Today, we're looking at Introduction to Physics. And for those of you who have just finished your basic exam or your NECO JSS 3, you know that the next class you're going into in September is going to be XX1. And it's important you know what you'll be facing with as you resume. Uh, Physics is actually one of the three core science subjects. The other two are biology and chemistry. Of course, mathematics is at the fulcrum, is at the center, and so you cannot do without that. But the three core science subjects are biology, physics, and chemistry. And today we are starting with Introduction to Physics. The word physics is actually derived from a Latin word called physical, and which means natural things. It means natural thing. And so physics therefore is a branch. It's a branch of science that is concerned with nature, and properties of matter in relation to energy. We can summarize the definition of physics to say that physics is a study of matter in relation with energy. Yes, we can give that definition and it will be correct. And so, what are the various branches of physics? Before we even talk about the various branches, I talked about matter. Okay, so you talk about mechanics. We talked about heat, we talked about magnetism, we talked about electricity. These are various aspects that you'll be considering under matter in physics. And then talking about the branches of physics, there are so many branches in physics. We have the astronomical physics, we have the atomic physics, we have the cosmology rather, and then we have the magnetism, we have the electricity, we have light, we have the electromagnetic wave. We have various branches as you come into physics proper. And would you know that the importance of physics cannot be overemphasized? The gadgets you are using today, the knowledge of physics is very pivotal in them. Your handset, for example, your laptops, for example, or your electronic gadget, for example, even the aviation, the power, talking about the electricity, virtually all the things around us. If you want to understand the universe proper, it is the knowledge of physics that will help you to understand the planetic bodies. Okay, planetic body, talking about the planet, talking about the moon, talking about the other things that make up the planetic body. And so the importance of physics cannot be overemphasized. And the person who studies physics is referred to as a physicist. So when you study physics, this is who you are called. This is so very important. If you study physics in the university, where are you likely to work? You are likely to work in the aviation. There are prospects for you there in the aviation sector. You are likely to work in the telecommunication. Yes, you can work there. You can even work in a nuclear power. Nuclear power, because there's what we call nuclear physics. Okay, nuclear physics. So you can work in the nuclear power. That's not all. And of course, you know that in the communication industry, you are also needed there as a physicist. And so there are a wide range of prospects that you have when you study physics. So I've just given you number one, the definition of physics, where it is derived from. Number two, I also talked about the importance of physics. And then number three, the branches of physics, I made mention of that. And then now talking about the prospects where you can work if you study physics in the higher institution. Till I come your way again, I remain Yomi Omorewa. Do subscribe on our channel. God bless you.